I dream of sharing our culture's flavours with all of Australia, one delicious dish at a time.
Are you a migrant or multicultural food entrepreneur with a dream to see your products on supermarket shelves, to grow beyond selling to just friends and neighbors, and to finally build the business you've always imagined? This October, the Multicultural Food Hub Australia, in partnership with the NSW government, brings you the 2025 Food Entrepreneurs Webinar Series. Across 3 days, you'll learn from experts, government representatives, and successful entrepreneurs who've walked the path before you. This is your golden opportunity to gain clarity, avoid costly mistakes, and connect with the right people to take your food business to the next level. This Food Entrepreneurs Webinar Series holds on October 24th, 30th, and 31st. It costs $50 per session, or just $25 each when you book all sessions or register with friends. Your dream deserves to be on every table. Don't wait. This is your opportunity, but spots are limited. Click on the link below to register now.